Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in for another video of mine. If you're new, go ahead and click subscribe down below. So for today's video, I want to talk about a product that I have recently been using just to aid in hair growth and my overall hair health. It is a Biotin hair serum by Pureauty Naturals. So this is the first product that I'm trying from this brand, and like I said, it is a Biotin hair serum, so it does promote hair growth and hair health. Pureauty Naturals is a hair care and skincare brand, and this Biotin hair serum is one of the many products that they offer. So I have been using this for a few weeks. I have been rubbing it on my scalp and applying it during wash day. So I have noticed that my hair has become a little bit thicker. Being a natural hair YouTuber, I am constantly in my hair, trying new hairstyles, trying new products, and getting content out for you guys. So I do have to take some extra precautions with my hair, and using this Biotin hair serum is one of them. So with the content I create, I am losing strands more often than I should because I'm doing my hair more often than I should. Being that being an influencer is my job. So I have been using this Biotin hair serum to thicken up my hair, and I absolutely love what I have seen over the past few weeks. My hair has been thicker, fuller. I've gotten a better shape that I just love. So before I demonstrate on how I actually apply this in my hair, I want to just read you guys the directions and some of the ingredients in the products. So this is the box that it comes in. I actually have two boxes, and it's Pureauty Naturals Biotin Hair Serum Advanced Formula, promotes thicker, fuller, healthier looking hair. Directions: dispense 2 to 3 drops of serum directly onto the scalp or into the palm of your hand. Using fingertips, gently work into the scalp with massaging circular motion. For additional conditioning, distribute with fingertips on damp hair from mid-length to ends, wrapping longer hair into a bun to soak in. Allow time for hair to fully absorb serum. Do not dry right away. For best results, leave in overnight. So some of the products are water. I always make sure that with most of the products I use, water is the first ingredient. So that is really good. Water, glycerin, biotin. I also see wheat amino acids, soy amino acids. So it has some pretty yummy stuff that our hair can absorb. So it says our Biotin hair serum is formulated with powerful ingredients designed to cleanse your scalp and create the appearance of thicker, fuller, healthier looking hair. So all I do is I rub it on my fingertips, and then I massage my scalp. So if you are natural, they say that you're supposed to rub your scalp or massage your scalp to promote hair growth. So I do that, but I also add this Biotin hair serum on my fingertips, which makes it even that much better. So not only am I also massaging my scalp, but I also have Biotin serum, which can also contribute to the growth and health of my hair. So that's one of my favorite ways to use this. I also use it coming right out of the shower. On wash day, after I finish deep conditioning my hair and I have no product in it, this is the first product that I'm applying. And I apply this just as it's directed on the box, distributing it on my fingers and then rubbing it from root to ends and wrapping my hair in a bun and letting it sit, and then I continue on with wash day. So this product also has peppermint oil in it, and that is the main scent of the product, which I love. It gives me that nice little tingle on my scalp when I do massage my scalp. So if you are looking for something to grow your hair and you don't really want to use a hair growth oil or a hair growth capsule or gummies, start with something like Biotin. Start with the Biotin hair serum. I feel like this will give you better results than any hair growth oil or any capsules that you ingest. I think definitely trying a Biotin hair serum first is the best option. Pureauty Naturals, they don't test on animals, so they are cruelty free. You guys definitely give them a chance. I am obsessed with this Biotin hair serum. I've already used so much, and yeah, this has just become a part of my day-to-day routine of massaging my scalp, and I use it on wash days. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and make sure you pick up your Biotin hair serum from Pureauty Naturals. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.